Hey everybody, got a really cool 67 Mustang Fastback S code. It's a factory GTA car, factory dark moss green. The car had 19 factory options, which is a lot. It had tilt steering. There's your steering canister. It's got a 390 GT engine, power disc brakes. There's the VIN. GT fog light grille. The car's got 68 GT wheels on it, but it was factory dark moss green GTA, loaded with options. All the glass is there. The roof's in good shape. No rotting down in the bottom of your or the bottom of your rear window. It's got the GT dual exhaust rear valance. Does have the 9-inch rear end with the large drain plug. That's a 67 only. She needs some TLC, but if anybody's going to restore a Mustang, this is one of the ones to restore, seeing that it was so highly optioned. It's got the original door tag on it. I've got a Marty report for it. Deluxe interior. Definitely needs front floors. Door jamb looks pretty good. It's got the tilt pop steering. Right there's the tilt pop actuator. And the tilt steering does work. Stainless dash with the 6K tack. Dash pad's actually in good shape. That's what's left of the lower console. Does have the upper console. Fold down rear seat. These deluxe seats are very expensive, and they've got all the parts. The back of this one is nice. Your rear floor pan. The back of this seat has a little busted place right there, but you could probably fix it. The rest of it inside and everything's good. The rear fold down. But 67 S code, factory dark moss green. 19 options. Tilt steering, GTA. It was a factory C6 car. Oh, there's a lot of options. I got the Marty report. I'll have a picture of it at the end of the video and in the photo album. I've got the parts that you probably don't see on it, like I got the front bumper, all the windshield trim, the grille trim, the rear window trim, the rear deck lid trim. There's pictures of the loose parts that come with the car, but if you're going to restore a car, this would be the one to do. Factory GTA 390 big block in the dark moss green. Everybody seems to love that color. Deluxe interior. The only thing that would have made it better would have been a 4-speed, but with this many options on a car, you kind of just take it. I've just got the windshield setting in there. I'll tape it down before it leaves. Car needs restored, but if you're gonna do one, this would be the one to do. Disc brakes. Thanks for watching.